In this video, I will show you how to use a Visa gift card on Temu. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on the Temu app. So you can do this on the app, or if you're on like a PC or laptop, you can do this on the Temu website. Now, to use a Visa gift card, all you want to do is simply add the items that you want to use the gift card for to your cart. Once you've done that, go ahead and press the Go to Cart button. On here, you want to come down and press onto Checkout. And on the checkout screen, what you're going to want to do is scroll down slightly until you get to the payment method section. Now on here, you want to go ahead and press onto card. And once you press onto card, you're going to see an option to add a new card. So you just want to press onto add a new card. Then what you would do is enter your Visa gift card details onto the card screen. After doing this, what you want to do is just come down and press submit order at the bottom, and that's going to go ahead and pay for your purchase using your Visa gift card. So that is how to use Visa gift card on Temu. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.